So remote ID is quite simply just rebroadcasting your position. I'm sure you've looked up a number of times in the sky, seen a drone flying overhead and wondering where that drone was going, where it came from, and how it got there. So what we're doing at AIRmarket is taking that drone telemetry, taking the GPS position, and we're combining that into a consolidated view so that stakeholders, other personnel that may be flying in the area can see and interact with that drone safely. So not only has AIRmarket successfully integrated remote ID on a theoretical basis, but we've also successfully integrated it into the NAV Canada Kraken system. What this will allow is NAV Canada to make better decisions on how to integrate remote ID across Canada. Remote ID is still in its infancy in Canada, but with the help of AIRmarket, we are leading the way in the integration of remote ID in Canada.